can you, could you, and would you. These are all common ways to make a request. Today, we are going to learn a more polite way to make a request. So, join me in today's lesson and learn how to make very polite requests. Let's go. In English, it's very common to make requests. A request is when we want someone to do something for us. And like I said in the introduction, a very common way to make a request is can you, could you, or would you. In today's lesson, we are going to speak with a more advanced level of English. We are going to speak in a more polite level of English. Today, we will study a very polite way to make a request. In today's lesson, the question we are going to practice is, would it be possible for you plus to plus verb? Okay, so one more time. Would it be possible plus for you plus to plus verb? So in this situation, I am asking the other person, would it be possible? Is there the possibility for you to do something? I want you to do something, so I want to know, is it possible? And if I want to be very polite, I say would. Would it be possible for you to do something? Let's look at an example. Now, I want you to imagine that I don't have a pencil. I don't have a pencil. I want to write something, but I don't have a pencil. But you have a pencil. So I want you to lend it to me. So I want to know if it's possible. So my question would be, would it be possible for you to lend me your pencil? Would it be possible for you to lend me your pencil? Let's look at another example. We are in the house. It is very, very hot. You are near the window. So I want you to open the window. So I want to know if it's possible. So my polite request is, would it be possible for you to open the window? One more time. Would it be possible for you to open the window? Now notice my question, my intonation goes up at the end. It's very important that the end of a question, your intonation, your voice is going to rise up. Okay, so I want you to listen one more time. Would it be possible for you to open the window? Window. I raised my intonation. Okay, so next, please practice it with me. Please say it along with me. Okay, I'll put the phrase on the screen here. So I want you to read it at the same time that I am speaking. Would it be possible for you to open the window? Okay, would it be possible for you to open the window? Okay, we rising that intonation. Now, with this grammar pattern, the middle part is for you. Would it be possible for you? Now, the great thing about this sentence structure is I can change the person who I'm asking. I can change the person who I want to do something. So I could say, would it be possible for him to do something? Would it be possible for her to do something? Would it be possible for us to do something? Or would it be possible for them to do something? So if you change that pronoun, then the sentence changes. I want to request a different person to do something. But in today's lesson, we will focus on, would it be possible for you to do something? Okay, so do you understand that grammar? If not, just rewatch the grammar explanation and try again. Also, if you have any questions, leave them down below. But next, we are going to practice making these questions. We will practice 3 questions together. And I think after that, you should understand how to make this polite request. Okay, so let's practice this together. We'll do 3 practice polite requests. The first one, we will do it together. Then the next 2, I want you to try. All right, so first, practice number 1. So I want you to imagine you are doing some homework. You're doing some homework, but it is very difficult. It is very difficult. You need help. Maybe you want my help. So you must ask me for help. Maybe in a simple request, my request question is, can you help me? Can you help me? But today we want to make polite requests. So please use, would it be possible for you, plus to and verb. Okay, so I've given you all of the information. What is your answer? Okay, so remember, the common request question is, can you help me? So we know the verb is help. So if we are using the polite request and we follow the polite request pattern, the question is, would it be possible for you to help me? Would it be possible for you to help me? Okay, we raise that intonation. The intonation goes up at the end. Okay, so next, let's practice number 2. So number 2, in this situation, you are carrying a very heavy box. It's very heavy. And you need to go into the next room. But the door is shut. The door is shut. What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? Maybe you want me to open the door. So, what is your polite request? Okay, so the polite request question is, would it be possible for you to open the door? Would it be possible for you to open the door? All right, rising intonation. And practice question number 3. You are very thirsty. You're very thirsty. You want to drink water. All right. I am in the kitchen. I am in the kitchen. What will you ask me? Remember, you want to drink water. What will you ask me? Please make a polite question. All right. For me, the polite question will be, would it be possible for you to bring me some water? Would it be possible for you to bring me some water? Okay, rising intonation. Okay, so how did you do? Did you get all of those right? Do you understand how to make these questions? If not, just rewatch the practice part. But also, while you are rewatching it, please do me a big favor. Subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell. Also, please share this video or share any of my other videos with anybody you know who's studying English. It will be a really big help for my channel. Okay, so that brings us to the active part of this lesson. This is where you get to continue to try to make would it be possible for you questions. In this part of the lesson, the situations will be a little bit more difficult. You need to think of the correct verbs to use in each of these situations. I will give you a situation. I want you to listen, or I want you to read the information. I want you to think, what do you want? What is your request? And then please make a polite request question. Situation number 1. You are at a party. You are at a party and you are with your friend and you want to have a picture of you and your friend. So you want me to take the picture. So what question will you ask me? Okay, so in this situation, my answer would be, would it be possible for you to take our photo? Would it be possible for you to take our photo? All right, so I used our photo because there are 2 people. So, did you make the same question? If not, that's okay. Your question could be correct. Leave it down in the comments section and I will check it. I will check it and I will let you know if it's correct. Doing your homework, leaving your answers down below will help you improve your English. So make sure you're leaving all of your answers down below. Situation number 2. Situation number 2. You are going to go on a vacation, but you have a dog. So you can't take the dog on vacation. But I am your good friend. I am your good friend. Maybe you will ask me to do something. What will you ask me to do? What is your request for me? All right, so make sure it's a polite request. What is your question? All right, my answer for this, my question is, would it be possible for you to take care of my dog? Would it be possible for you to take care of my dog? Okay, so if you have a different answer, that is okay. leave it down below. Situation number 3. Again, you are going on vacation and you have many plants inside your house and you have many plants in your garden. What will you ask me to do? What is your request for me? All right, please tell me your answer. Okay, my answer for this situation is, would it be possible for you to water my plants? Would it be possible for you to water my plants? In this situation, water is a verb. Water is a verb. This means I'm putting water on the plants or in the pot. Situation number 4. You are a boss. You are a manager. And you need me to finish the report by the end of today. But you don't know if it's possible. You want to check, you want to request that it's completed by the end of the day. What is your question for me? Okay, so in this situation, my question is, would it be possible for you to finish the report by the end of today? Would it be possible for you to finish the report by the end of today? All right, did you get the same question? If not, it's okay. Just leave your question down below, and I will definitely check your answers. Situation number 5. You are going on a business trip. You are flying to another city. You must go to the airport, but you don't want to take a taxi. You don't want to take a bus. What will you ask me to do? What is your request for me? Okay, make sure your request is a polite request. Okay, so what is your request? Okay, so my request for this is, would it be possible for you to drive me to the airport? Would it be possible for you to drive me to the airport? Okay, so how did you do? Did you get all 5 of those situations correct? Did you make 5 request sentences? If your answers were different, that is okay. Leave them down below. I will check them. And if you think today's lesson was useful, please subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell. Today, we're practicing polite requests. If something is very important and you really want someone to do something, then it's very important that you use today's grammar. All right, so I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. And I've got a lot of lessons coming out, so make sure you check those out as well. Until the next lesson, see ya. Thank you very much for watching today's lesson. Today we practiced polite requests. If you think today's lesson was very useful for your English, make sure you subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell. Also, don't forget to share this lesson with all of your friends and family. Until the next lesson, see ya.